Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this super cute cardboard cutter. It actually looks like a little beaver, little critter here. It's got its little face on the front, and then on the back, it looks like a little tail, but it's actually a little discard drawer for all of the extra cardboard that's gonna go down in here. And it's 10 by 10, roughly. And underneath here, you can actually store the extra cable if you're gonna be taking it somewhere with you, or if you wanted to put these little tools in there that it comes along with, you can do that as well. But this is the little scorer tool. This is a cleaning tool. And this you can actually use to pop like a little hole like this one. If you need to make a little hole, you can just simply pop it through. Now you've got a little hole if you are creating your own little 3D art. So these are fantastic. But this little guy, you just simply press his little nose, press and hold, it turns it on, and it has 3 different speeds. And what's great about this is they can cut straight through. First of all, it is going super fast, and you can easily, or not easily, cut yourself on this. It's not gonna grab your hair. Fantastic. And it has 3 different speeds. So this is actually allowing her just to, this is going really quick. It's nice and smooth. It's not getting stuck on anything. So that is great. She's just kind of going out of the lines a little bit here, but we can slow it down a little bit more for her even, because it does have those 3 speeds to then allow her to go through and create whatever kind of art they want to do. So this is fantastic. They do give you different kinds of cardboard that you can practice with here. And then later on, you can always use any sort of cardboard up to 3 millimeters. Turn it off, you've got it right there. I love how it has all the different degrees of angles on there. So if you did need to have something at a certain angle as you're building, your different radius here as well. This is a really nice and cute little portable guide that you can take with you. You've got your little handles here on the side. Use it in a STEM class. Just get kids off of their screens for a while and use their imagination.